Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday. Today I'm here with another unboxing, and this is the November the Planner Society kit. And actually this is all 4 subscriptions that you can get from the Planner Society. The big envelope is the main sub. Then there is the Box Sticker Society add-on, the Sticker Society add-on, and the Washi Society add-on. So I will be sharing all of them with you, but we're going to be starting with the main one, which is the big one, and I will take everything out of the packaging and I will be right back. Now before I start actually unboxing, let me tell you that things are changing at the Planner Society. The kits starting next year are not going to be coming out on a monthly basis but on a bi-monthly basis. So I will leave the link below for Christy's website so you can get all the information in case you didn't know about the change or you're interested in signing up for next year. So let me take everything out of this and I'll be right back. And I am back, and the first thing that I always love to start with is the foundation of the kit, which is the gorgeous papers that we get in the kit. And as always, you get a ton of them. It's an assortment of basically cardstock as well as specialty papers. Let me start first with the cardstock, and you get like 6 pages of cardstock, double-sided, and then you usually get 2 vellums and a gorgeous acetate. Now let me start with the cardstock first, and I'll show you. So the first one that I want to share with you is this beautiful floral. So it's on a black background, and then it has these pinks that are going from a lighter to a darker pink, and the back side is another beautiful floral. It has almost like, let me see, kind of upside down, softer pinks, like a pale pink and a very kind of sagey green. I love it together. So it has that vibe of like being wintry, like without being necessarily to Christmas or something, because Christy's kits are not specifically designed for any season. Then there is this gorgeous buffalo check, and I am obsessed with buffalo check. I have actually a buffalo check set up last year that I will be sharing with you, and I'm also thinking of doing a different buffalo check setup this year for January using one of Christy's kits, so I may share that with you soon. And then so this is going to be perfect for the buffalo check if you bought her planner. And on the back here we have this gorgeous wood kind of like background with the flowers, and I just love it, and they all match beautifully. And then the last 2 cardstocks, and the weight, I always say it's a great weight. It's nice and thick, and it has they're very smooth, very buttery, the quality of the paper. And then I love this because this is kind of like a mash of all of different papers, and these are papers from last year and some new ones. And then there is this gorgeous deers on a pink background with little polka dots. Love it. Now the ones that I always love to, I'm always so excited about are the specialty papers, because it's so hard to find cute vellums, etc. But let me share the first one. This is so pretty. So this is like a checkered, like white and soft pink. It's really pretty, really subtle but really pretty. And then another vellum, it's this vellum with the little girls, and these are the girls that Christy designed, and they'll have different outfits and they look so cute. This will make a really super cute dashboard. And then we have this gorgeous acetate, and the acetate has some foiling, which is like a green. Oh no, it's not. It's on the other side. Oops. It's not a green foiling. It's a rose gold foiling. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just stunning. So these are the papers that you get. Let me move this out of the way, guys. And then let's start with the accessories. And one of the ones that it's included this month is this gorgeous pen. It's a pen that has some crystals here in the barrel, as well as a little charm that you can take off and you can attach it to your planner if you don't like to have a charm. Really pretty. I'm going to put her right here. Then we have a set of 2 notes. I love these because when I work, I write down things on sticky notes all day long, so I go through them a lot. And this was again kind of like a reimagination of an older design. And I love this one. This one is so pretty. Matches the vellum. And then this young, this little girl here, super cute too. And you know, I love to have something that is cute but is functional at the same time. And then we also get this month another set of stamps, which you know, they're always so cute. I collect mine mostly, and I keep them inside one of those little albums that Christy includes in her kit. And then we have a very special clip this month. So this is a collaboration with Belle from the Craft Room Project. Now Belle used to make paper clips like this, and she sold them, you know, in a kind of limited edition, and I'm lucky enough to have grabbed quite a few before she stopped making them. So this is super exciting because if you have never had any of her clips, this is basically you know, like her design, and these are adorable. So I'm very excited to have this one, and especially it has the little buffalo check bow, which is so adorable. Then as always, we get these beautiful tabs. I don't use tabs, but they are very useful. What I use is these. I love these little stickers. I stick them in all my page markers. I put them in the pockets of my planner, and these are always, you know, but if you use them, of course, you can just fold over your tab, attach your little sticker here, and then glue it to the side, and you are set to go to divide your sections in your planner. Then this month we got something different, which is, I forgot that this was coming, so I was very excited. I was like, what is this? This is a kit to make your own charm, and how genius is that? Because I love to make charms, and this way you can kind of customize and make it like, you know, like you want it. If you want to have a little, first of all, I love this one, and the little pom-pom, too cute. But you know, if you want to add some metal findings, you can find them really cheap at Michael's. I always get them when they're like 50-60% off. You can customize it to your own length. You can put them in a ring planner. You can put them on a, you know, yeah, on a TN, whatever you wish. So I love this edition. This is the first time that Christy has something like this, and I was so excited. Then we're gonna go, and I'm trying to be there we go, quick today, but we're gonna go into the die cuts. And Christy always gets a lot of die cuts. Die cuts are super useful because you can use them to decorate your dashboards, and you know, you can, they always add a little something. So let me see what we got this month. Let me remove it from here. We get a lot. So first of all, I started with the big one. Oh, this is adorable. It says Winter Wonderland, and it has a little scene like you know, like you're on your bed looking at the book, etc. Super cute. Let me see if I can get them out of the way. Then we have some flowers, and then, oh, little deer, adorable. And then let me move it here. Oh, sorry guys. And then more flowers, roses. So the colors are, you know, there's deer antlers, so they're reminiscent, you know, of the papers, clearly, because they're gonna match. We also have a bunch of these vellum words that are new. Oh, this is so pretty. Do you guys have these? I have jars like this with little fairy lights inside. Very pretty. And sometimes, oh, this is adorable. I wish I could, actually, I have these little houses. If you got the little houses from Target Dollar Spot, you can kind of replicate this look. So very pretty. Another little deer, and then little logs for your fireplace. And it makes you feel like so cozy, right? This is the feeling of this kit. It's not necessarily Christmassy. It's more like a winter cozy. Oh, and these are cute. And then we have all these little words that are vellum, and these are new. I love these. Joy, cozy, plan, and then cherish. I'm thinking, I think I may, you know, and if you want to pop this up on 3D dots, like I love to do, you can always put the little dots right under the words, so they're kind of hidden. And this one says Planner Girl, right? Yes. Planner Girl and Thankful. Love it. Then we're gonna go into, because there's so much in this month, guys. I feel like the box got bigger. I don't know. The price stayed the same, but there's more stuff. There's more die cuts here, but it's a combination of die cuts with dashboard. So basically, you're getting, these are kind of dashboard, they're foiled. So there's gold foiling. Let me show you the different styles. So there's these two styles. Apologize for the reflection. Let me see if I can show them better, like that. Then we have a vellum version of them, like that. And then we have all these girls that come in all, you know, different skin colors, hair colors. Very cute. Love it. Different outfits. I especially love this one with the little, you know, what is it called? Something on his shoulders. A cape. There we go. A little mini cape. And then the girls come in the vellum version, which is genius. So I guess you can put them up here, and you're gonna need to, you know, play with them, but I can see putting them up there, just like maybe layering them like that, like on a, you know, using 3D dots to layer them up. But you can make some super cute dashboards, and I love it because these are different from what we usually get. Then it's another new product that Christy introduced, and these are like sticker sheets, but what you do with these is you have some tabs, so you can put these, as you can tell, you can just like lift them, and they are, you know, you can put them at the corner of your page, so you have all this variety of tabs. You put one in the front, one in the back. Then we have these long strips of, you know, kind of like it's like a lacy paper basically, but it's a sticker paper. I'm trying to lift it up if I can so I can show you what it looks like. But basically you will put it at the border of your dashboard of your page, and that way, see, there you go. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a, basically it's a lace effect, and you can create a border on the side of your page. And then there's more. This is a bigger version. So with this one, actually, I'll probably try and double it. So like fold it in half over the side, but I love this patterns, and I love the buffalo check with the floral motif. Super cute. And I love that Christy always introduces new stuff, you know, like, you know, never know what you're gonna get. And then these are adorable. So these are stickers. They have little dots, so they're kind of like 3D effect, and they are gorgeous rose gold. And I actually did not remember which one was the metal for this kit. I was like, I think there's some rose gold, so I did my nail to kind of match it, but I'm glad it worked out. So very cute, this one's too. And then one thing, oh, I forgot to open it up. Let's open it here. But so the kit also comes with a set of stickers, although you can also buy the additional, you know, Sticker Society or the Box Sticker Society, but you already get enough sheets here for your basics. So you'll get some deco with the cute little girls, more cute little girls with different outfits on. And then, oh, I love these. So these are beautiful headers, not headers, but little phrases, and these are in rose gold. I think it's rose gold. Actually, I'm looking at it. I think this may be a pink gold, pink foiling. It's with the lights on, it's super hard to tell. Then we have some little trackers, some more deco, and then some more deco with this, definitely, I think it is pink foiling. It's super adorable. And this I use in my layouts. And then last but not least, this month you actually get two washi tapes. So one of them is the classic 50mm, and it has gorgeous foiling on it, and it matches that paper. I love that. And then this one is my favorite, just because I am obsessed with buffalo check, and this is a 5mm, and I love 5mm. I use this in my layouts daily. You can put them at the bottom of your page to create like kind of like a separation, or I use it vertically in my Kate Spade layouts. So it's super adorable. So this is it. This is a ton of stuff, and usually I try to bring everything back in, but I don't know if I'll actually be able to fit everything inside the screen. But what I'm trying to tell you is you do get a ton, and there's a lot to play with. So why don't I go back actually, and then I'm gonna unbox the next three add-ons, and I'm gonna show them all together. So let me clean this desk up, and I'll be right back, guys. And I'm back, guys. And what I want to start with, these are the three add-ons. So they're add-on subscriptions that were available. So this one is the Box Sticker Society, and is one of my favorite ones because I use the Erin Condren planner or Erin Condren inserts, style inserts. So these boxes are fit perfectly in that. And also, as I always say, since there is a little indent in the front, you can just fold this over, put it in your purse or whatever, or in your traveling notebook, notebook and you can carry them with you. And you get 4 sheets of stickers, and this is plenty to do a week layout, or you know, if you like to stretch it out, of course you can use them in over a week. But let me start with the first sheet, and this is my favorite sheet because it has the full boxes, and they have this gorgeous foiling on them, and they are all foiled, so it's really pretty. And I particularly love this scene right here. Let me put this down. I love this little scene, although the buffalo check with the little bow on top is adorable. Then you have some checklists and a couple of bows. The second sheet that we have is this is some washi, basically washi strips. We have quarter boxes, half boxes with the little foiling, and you get a lot of these. And then we have some headers, yes, days of the week, some more trackers, some icons. Love this, quarter boxes. There's plenty, you know, like to go around. And then there is these little checker, you know, like checklists, or I mean full boxes that are I can never remember the word. I know, and then you people, you guys are so sweet, you like say, oh okay, this is what it's called. I know, I always remember right after I stop filming. I don't know why I have to forget one word per video, right? Then there's some checklist and some little hearts, and I just love them because the foiling is beautiful. Now the second add-on sub, it's the Sticker Society. So the Box Society is more like if you're, you know, like I guess it's also if you're functional, but there's some people who just don't love to use a lot of stickers, and this works for them perfectly because these are just very functional. So there's 5 sheets of these, and we have like some days of the week, some little lists, some little I love this little hearts, so these little dots. Then we have more of more flags, more of the little hearts, bows, little headers, and these are little, let me show you, when you basically pull them up, they become just like a little top like this. Super cute. So it adds just enough to your page without, if you're not too keen on having too many stickers on your page, you know, leaves you enough room. Then we have another page with the days of the week and some quarter boxes and lots of foiling. And then more little headers, to-do lists, bows, etc. And then the last one is more like there's the month, there's kind of little you know, lists, some bows, some trackers, and this is kind of like tiny washi strips, I would call them, you know, so they're already cut to the size of the box, and it's just so cute. Now the last subscription add-on is the washi tape one, and this month it comes with it comes with 3. So this is the Big Mama. This is a big washi tape, and this is 30 millimeter, and it has foiling on it, and it just you know, basically it's the same pattern as the main paper. I'm gonna put it right there. And then we have a 10 millimeter, which is gorgeous. I love this. It's like a white background with these foiling at the bottom, and then these little deers right on top. It's so adorable. I love this one. And then we have another one over here, and this is like I think, oh, this is like basically the pattern of the paper. It's like a patchwork of papers. So I wanted to show you, so these are the 3 that you get with the washi tape add-on. So if you love your washi, this is perfect. And then I want to show how, you know, if you're getting the regular Planner Society, how beautiful they all, you know, look together. And of course we gotta add on here the buffalo check. So here they are all together. Love them. Let me see if I can actually lift them up and show them to you guys a little better. So they are so gorgeous, and these are just gonna help you out so much in your layouts. But this is it, guys. So these are all the 3 subs the 4 subs that are available. So I'll leave a link below to Christy's website, because again, things are changing with the next year, and I will be back next week with a project using this kit. So I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and please let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Okay, have a good weekend. Bye bye, guys.